The other thing that I'm going to do is air intake control valve. Just decarbonize it, and because it controls the idling of the car, and the car is behaving weirdly. The idling is going up and down, it's high. Yeah, so I'll also try to decarbonize that. So after loosening the bolt, you can easily unbolt it using your hand. This is the air intake control valve. Let's see its condition. So it's not so bad, yeah, but definitely giving it some cleaning. So removing this is a bit difficult because this pipe has never been removed. It brings water into the air control valve. So one of them I've removed out. There's a socket here that needs to be removed. This one which sends signals to the computer. I'm just getting a screwdriver to try and remove this water hose pipe. I've already loosened the clip. Now I just want to remove this, so that I need to give it a good clean using this spray. So it finally came out. As you can see, there's some rust. So that was what was making it become very difficult to remove. If you look at this, there is some rust, and this probably goes in the entire cooling system. So we need to change from water-based cooling liquid. So we need to open these two screws, remove this part so that we can clean inside, and then we have to clean this part. Yeah, as you can see, there is some carbon deposits on the screen, so that is what we shall need to just do a good cleaning on this, because it's very important. It regulates the engine idling, and when it becomes clogged with carbon deposits, then you'll find that your idling is not regular. It shoots up and down. So it's important after some years to remove some of these components and get them serviced or get them replaced. Don't let such a part stay for almost 10 years and you've never bothered to service it or check how it works. So your car will have a lot of issues, power issues, idling issues. So it's always good to service some of these parts after some time, after some years, like 2 years or 3 years. So right now I'm still cleaning the fuel injectors. Yeah, you can now see the difference. It's very clean. The carbon has been removed, so it's just putting it back to the car. Really clean. So now installing it back, I've already connected the two pipes, and I've connected in such a way next time I need to service, or it needs to be serviced, it will be easier to remove the two pipes. Reconnected the wire connection, the wiring connector. So you push it inside until it clicks, and then I just put on the bolts where it was. air control valve cleaned and reinstalled.